Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we are going to be coloring our hair, but not with just any color. We're going to spray on some color with this high beam intense burgundy spray. So if you want to see how this is going to look on my black curly natural hair, then just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I got this from my local beauty supply store, and the name of this is High Beam Intense, and it's a burgundy spray. As you see guys, my hair is black, okay? It's black, like a natural black. And sometimes I just want to have a little color, but I'm tired of always coloring my hair, cutting it off and growing it back. So let's see if this high beam is going to look like hair color without looking like a spray-on color. So I am going to this is what it looks like here. Oh, that's going to be pretty. Look. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. That's going to be gorgeous. Okay, let's finish. You know what, guys? I can actually see me. I don't want to be painting no walls. Guys, I can actually see me wearing this. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I know it's showing up, you know, how it's showing up, you know, on the camera because I got it close to you guys, and you know, you go in there and you clean that up with, you know, alcohol and stuff like that. But guys, this is absolutely, you see here, guys, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I remember one time before I had rotted my hair and I had put a rinse on my hair, and it looked like this. If I have the picture, I'll post it. Guys, this do not look like a spray. This does not look like a spray. And on top of that, I just sprayed my hair, right? And I just sprayed my hair, but I know if I go put some oil sheen on this, ooh, this would be gorgeous. All right, guys, that's it. I like it. Now, it's at night, so I really didn't want to go, you know, all ham on it and everything. But I just wanted to bring this color to you so you'll know what this look like. Guys, this is High Beam Intense Burgundy. Now, make sure you get burgundy if you want this, because they have one there that's a rocket red, and the tops look the same. But this is, oh, I love it. I love it. This does not look like a spray, guys. So And I believe when I do my hair like this, that it will rub through to the rest of my hair. Yeah. All right, guys, it is the next day. And do you see the color on my hair? I'm gonna wet it. Because I want to be able to tell you guys, you know, if you wear your hair curly like me, basically what to expect the next day. So I'm just wetting my hair down. I'm just wetting my hair down with water. That's just water. And hopefully the subtleness of the color will stay on. What you think? You see how it's still on there? And that's pretty much all I need. And of course, you know, if you want it to dry and have it more vibrant than that, then wait for it to dry and just respray it. But I just wanted a subtle color. I didn't want anything on my hair that looked like it was sprayed on. And this does it for me. Make sure that you put a scarf or, you know, your hair bonnet on, so you won't mess up your sheets and covers and everything like that. But okay, guys, you see I'm spraying it, and you see the subtle color on my hair. Now, if you want to see me spray a little bit more on, which I really don't have to, but I'll do it for you guys. Sorry for the lighting, guys. See that? So for me, my hair is growing. I'm still trying to push it into like a little style, but it's growing, and I didn't want to go and put color on my hair and then having to clip it off because the color damaged it or anything like that. So I just said, let me try some spray. Ended up with this, and it is good enough. See that, guys? See how pretty that is? And to my surprise, when I wet it with the water, it seemed like it just distributed it even better, but it was still on there. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.